Hello everybody, I have got the new watercolors from Altenew. There's 36 in the set and I'm going to try them out. Honestly, I did do a video just a few minutes ago. I just decided just to redo it. I felt it was just a little too long. This isn't like a full review. I just wanted to put this out there because when I posted on Instagram that I got the watercolors, a few people asked me if I would do a video to share how I liked them. So this is more of a first impressions video. And I wanted to say that from now till September 8th, if you purchase the watercolors, you get an extra watercolor pan case. So that's pretty cool. And they did just release some new stamps. So I will have the links to their website down below. And let's see. I honestly think that they picked the colors perfectly. Oh, they do have names on the back. So I don't know what's what, but unless they're, let's see. Oh, this is the free pan that you get, which is awesome. And here is the one with the watercolors, and you also get a watercolor brush in there. So I'm gonna see. They do. Oh, that's amazing. They have the colors on the back. Oh, come on. I did not know that. All right, so you learn something new every time or every day. What's it saying? I think it's you learn something new every day. All right, I have some Strathmore watercolor paper. I do have just this watercolor brush from Prima. This is a 12 round brush. I'm just gonna plop some water on here. Oh, for some reason it is green. All right, let's see. It's a little, it has a hint of green in there, but it's all right. And I'm not going to do anything very elaborate. I just want to put some water down, and then I'm going to put some color down and share with you guys I guess my second impression, although it's, you know, going to be the same. I love them. I'm going to get, well, actually I'll just use this one. Just put water on it instead of in it. All right, so my first impression is they are amazing. The colors are super vibrant, beautiful colors, a range of colors, and I love that there is 36 of them, and that they give you, here I'll show you, so you get like this pinkish. I'm gonna just put that there. All right, my battery's gonna die, of course. All right. Then you have a little bit darker pink. So they really thought of these colors very well because I think a lot of people will use them to color the floral images that Altenew has. So as you could see, the colors are perfect to blend. Trying to hurry, and in turn I'm making a huge mess. I'm gonna go in these blues to give you guys an idea of those. Colors are beautiful. I love these. Can't wait to use them on some floral images. Beautiful. And what's this? These are like my favorite colors ever. I didn't put any water in this brush, so it's having a little hard time blending it out a little bit. So, all right, I'm going to go in with the purples. Show you guys those. Really pretty. I think that might be all I have time for before my camera dies, but I love them, and I will definitely be doing a video of some floral images that'll color. Very pretty colors, and yeah, they do such an amazing job with anything that they come out with. They're just amazing. So here's a look at the colors before my camera dies. Nice range of colors. So you got your browns. This is like gray to black, purples, blues, bluishy greens, green, yellow, orange, red, pink. So, and then you got your purples. Did I say purples? I don't remember, but yeah. So lots of colors in there. And let's see, do a little black in there. Guess I should have picked a smaller brush. I really like this gray. Just perfect. But yeah, I could probably do this all day. But yeah, so that's basically my first impression. Beautiful colors. I highly recommend them for the price. Definitely you get 36 in the pack, and then you also get the, oh, that's not it, the free pan case, so which is amazing. And you also get a watercolor brush, so which is cool too, and you can put it in there. So yeah, that is going to be this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Follow me on social media. All of the links will be listed down below. And I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye.